Steve and Jake here with Get Torque. Today we're drilling the shit out of our hood. Also, we're gonna do some electrical work, probably drive the car. It's pretty snowy out, so might take her for a little spin and get some data for the tuner. But yeah, we're back up under the tent, just working in the engine bay in a minute. Yeah, but first we're gonna try and install some hood pins. Our shit is a little too flimsy right now, so watch us drill our hood. Watch us drill the shit out of our hood. Here, hold this. There we go. No safety protection today, buddy.
Oh, safety squints. Steve with the safety squints.
Try to
Look at that precision. About 4 inches from the hood on the face. Oh, it went black. Give her the beans.
If you need to look, well, I was just getting it started, and then I'm gonna try and center up. Hopefully my mark was good, you know. Or should we put it at a slight angle?
No, because it's got to go straight on the
right
crossbar. Let's see where she went.
It's running. Got to get it started on the inside.
So you should see where it is on the inside first, in case you have to make a slight angle adjustment. Let's see. Did he do good? It's dark.
Right there.
Oh, it didn't go through the second layer?
No, not yet. Gotta work on that. I think we're good though. It's running away, it's gonna break off in there. We have to get my mark in there. Oh, that's almost spot on.
Nice.
Headlight's gonna be in the way though. We needed it over here.
Where is it?
If we need to, we can just cut the bolt down.
Oh, is that the mark right there?
Yeah. Oh, I have a DeWalt flashlight in my...
I got all my flashlights
Oh,
too.
you?
They're in the car.
Should I drill through all of it, or maybe get it started and then...
Yeah, I guess.
Word. Oh yeah. I'm such expecting you to do it.
I was waiting for you to put it down on my shoulder.
Hood support though, I don't know why.
Oh, well.
Yeah, the headlight's right there. Alright, I guess you just step it up. Just keep stepping her up.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a nice hole in the headlight now, so we're good.
Oh, perfect. I mean, there's a big hole in the bottom. So. Between the hood and the spot right here.
Oh, like while you were sitting there idling?
No, I'm driving.
Oh, jeez.
I mean, this is the same fucking thing. This one's even closer to the spot in the hood.
That's fucked up.
Yeah, it had literally, it was soaked and it had currently had snow on it from it sitting there and blowing under the hood. So, that's cool. And this is gonna be, there's holes fucking everywhere, so it's gonna come right up, it's just gonna suck it all in.
Well, there's usually a snorkel that feeds it anyway. There's an airflow pocket, and then it comes up and goes. So I guess it would be eating it anyway. Like either way you look at it, huh?
So we did get, this is working, right? The fan?
Yep.
Okay.
Very cool. Into the headlight, baby. Oh boy, I think I made the original hole very large. That's not too bad. So close.
Is this kit how you do it?
Huh?
Don't they usually give you like a thing that you screw in? Cut a big hole and you screw it in?
No, it's a plate that goes around this. Yeah. That drops all the way in though.
Ooh, someone's already butchered this once. was thinking maybe, could it be my bad shocks that would cause that?
That's what I was saying, it might be suspension related.
Because I mean, I went over the vehicle and I squished it, but I don't know what it's really supposed to feel like. It does have some rebound, like if you get it going and then stop and let it go, it probably bounces about 2 times.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah. And the passenger side definitely does it a wee bit more than the driver's side. Those shocks are not that old, but they did sit for a while. They're old in that term, but they're not old in driving or on the road miles.
Yeah, do you think they like lose their pressure or something?
I don't know, I just bought cheap Monroe ones, you know? $4 a piece.
Right now?
No, that's what's on it.
That's what these
Yeah,
are.
it's just some cheap ones. I thought about spending some money.
You think, damn, setting the height's gonna kind of be a bit...
Yeah, without taking the headlight out?
Try to get it about flush with the fender, huh?
Yeah, so somebody's hacked into both these wires.
Which one?
Both the insulation on the fan are taken off. Strange. Very strange. She's gone.
Oh no, dude. I gotta unthread that all the way. And I just got it threaded to the height that I wanted.
Did you use the wrong one?
No, I didn't realize you had to thread the top one on too.
Oh, I did.
Yeah. Jake is fixing our fan wires. There was a little wiring harness there, but the wire was coming unclipped and we couldn't cram it back in there, so we decided we're just gonna hardwire it. We have a switch up there, so we control it. And we need to change the polarity of our oil sensor. Oil pressure sensor, I should say. Got one hood pit in. Gotta get the other one rolling in a minute. Then there's one wire we need to fix up under the dash. Then I think we're pretty much good.